Chef Andrew Cooper here from La Quinta Resort. I'm here to show you how to make the perfect steak. Generously seasoned with salt and pepper. You want to flip it over to the other side and apply more salt and also more pepper. So when you place your steak on the grill, you find the hottest spot. You let that sit there for about 3 minutes. That way it gets a nice char mark. So now that it's sat for about 3 minutes on one side, what I'm going to do is I'm going to move it to the 2 o'clock side. This way it forms the perfect diamond on one side. You can see the nice grill mark. So we're going to repeat the process on this side, and then we're going to finish it off in the oven. But the key is to make sure the meat rests. Place it in a pan and throw it in the oven. I placed the steak in a 350-degree oven. It's going to take about 3 to 5 minutes. So while that's going, I'm going to get my garnishes ready. Fresh mushrooms, beautiful cipollini onions, tomatoes, cauliflower, peppers, nice fall garnishes that pair well with steak. And then I'm going to allow the steak to rest for about another 3 to 5 minutes. And there you have it, how to make the perfect steak.